Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Teams account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and interacting with your clients with Microsoft Teams, you want to be sure to have a professional picture. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Teams account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into Microsoft Teams and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to change your profile picture, what you're going to do is click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click right here on your initials. If you changed your profile picture before, it's going to show that here. Either way, just click on it. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show your current profile picture. So you can go ahead and remove it, or you can go ahead and upload a new one, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, I grabbed a new image. Once it shows up here, go ahead and click on save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my profile picture up here on the top right for my Microsoft Teams. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.